Welcome back everybody. I'm just going to the Notepad++ and actually I just want to make the delete and the view button active in this class. So this is the delete button and this is the view button. First I'm just activating the delete button. So here I'm just adding, actually I already have the A tag, so I'm just removing this hashtag, and here I'm just typing post list because I just want to send to the post list.php again and adding a $sign and save that. And then here we don't need to send any other thing, just the del id. Okay, it means the deleting id, and then in equal to sign, and then what is the id of the specific result or specific row you want to delete. The id is the $rows and then the id. Okay, this id is coming from the database. Really simple. Now I'm just saving that and just checking in the browser. Let's just refresh that. If I just click on there, now I'm getting the del id 5, but actually I just send the del id 5 in the request, but here I have to make the receiver as well. Okay, so I'm just pressing an enter, and here I'm just adding another if, and definitely the isSet function, and inside the isSet function what I'm just doing $get and then del id. Okay, if you just receive the del id, then just type del id and equal to get del id. Okay, so definitely the new variable I just created named del id here. So now the SQL, or SQL, I can type SQL by the way. I'm just assigning new value with this SQL. You know that this is the SQL is same like that, but here I'm just adding some new value. Delete. Okay, now delete from. Okay, never mention delete all from. Okay, only delete from. Now where you just want to delete from posts. Okay, now this is really necessary to mention the where, otherwise all the data will be deleted. Okay, in delete and in update you must have to mention that where you want to delete. So now where id is equal to dollar, in this way, now $del id. Okay, now just make this field workable, this SQL query. So run and equal to mysqli query, and then cover that, and then here I'm just adding $CONN and then SQL. Okay, now let's just put this line inside an if. So definitely I'm just adding the if here, just cutting this and pasting this inside the div, and then not div, actually the if, and then just send another result, and the result is, let's just copy this old result. Okay, I'm just pasting this here, and then we just updated the status, not now, I think you deleted a raw from database. Okay, actually we can show which raw you are deleted. For example, you can type here the raw number. So how you can do here the raw and add two parentheses, and the parentheses I'm just typing or the raw number. This is more preferred, raw number. Now the break the code and $sign and then raws, or instead of the raws the del id. Okay, now let's save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now the del id 5 was selected, so that is why the 5 has been deleted. Now this query won't work just because there isn't any other del id 5. So now if I just click on the another post and I just click on delete, now you can see that you deleted a raw number 6 from database. So definitely our form of deleting is working, but something more, press any space and change this in the way. Okay, now another thing, deleted, not delete. Okay, deleted, and the last thing is danger. Okay, danger. Now save that and refresh that. You just deleted a raw number 6 from database. Now just delete the A, because you just deleted raw number del id or whatever. Now the second thing is, I'm just going down here to the view button. Here I'm just sending our browser to the view page. And where is the view page? Let's go back a little, okay, to the back directory, because the view page is in the CMS folder and we are in the admin folder. So we have to go back, and when we are just in the CMS folder, then we can type post.php. Okay, now just go to the browser and refresh that, and then if I just click on view button, now I am inside the post.php, but obviously there isn't any post ID. That is why I'm getting an error. We must have to add the post ID here. So I'm just clicking to the folder, and this is the post.php page. I'm just opening this in the notepad, and actually I'm just receiving the get post ID. Okay, I'm just running the data through the post ID. So how it works, if I just go there and refresh that, okay, just click on home. Why nothing is showing here? Okay, the problem, I can understand the problem. Let's go to the admin panel again, CMS, and here I just accessed there. So now the problem is that if I just click on posts, now no post has been published, so I'm just clicking on publish there. Now this post, you can see that we just updated the status, and now refresh that, I got the post. Now if I just click on read more, here is the post ID equal to 1. Okay, so we have to send the post ID by the variable of post ID to the index.php of from the post list. So here question mark post ID and equals to single quotes, and here the rows, okay, and inside the rows the ID. Okay, now save that and go to the browser, and definitely I'm going there and refreshing that. Okay, now I'm just clicking on this for view that. Okay, now I'm just viewing the first post, and if I just click on the view here, I'm just getting the second post. Okay, that means no matter that the post has been published or no, but we can view that in this way. So I hope you understood that we've learned how to manage the thing, actually the second post or first post option, but we have to solve this problem. For example, if I just anyone just go directly to the post.php, then I'm just getting nothing. So just click on the browser, notepad, and here this is the post list. I'm just going to the post.php, and here is the thing. So the whole section here, I'm just adding an if, and I'm just using the is that function. So I hope you truly understood about the if else function. So the dollar and get post ID. Okay, if we get the post ID, then all these things should run. So this is clear. But if not, so here I'm just setting an else. So here what I'm just typing, let's just go to the post list and actually just copy the alert. Okay, this is the alert. I'm just copying this alert here and just pasting this here, and then I'm just removing the inner data. Okay, because I just don't want to show these things. So here I'm just typing no post you've selected. Okay, here dollar cross sign and APOS, and then cover that. Now no post you've selected to show. Now save that, and then here I'm just adding a link as well in a tag and just href. Okay, so here I'm just typing index.php. Okay, now here I'm just adding an ending tag of a. Okay, now click here to select a post, save that and go to there. Now refresh that. Now I'm getting nothing. That is why I'm just going there again. Okay, I just didn't type the echo, and that is why it is not echoing. Refresh that. Now I got no post you've selected. Click here to select a post. If I just click there, now I'm in the index.php page. Okay, so if I just select a post, okay, now you can see that I am inside the post. So definitely you've understood how to solve the problems of that kind. So we'll learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.